welcome back to my channel. My name is Maddie, where I'd love to talk all things makeup. And this video is going to be certainly a fun one because why is everyone doing this fruit makeup challenge? This is my version of the fruit challenge and seeing, does it even work? I have a whole plate, a whole plate of fruit here and some vegetables, if you noticed, that I'm going to be putting on my face today, along with some honey, and we're gonna be using a little bit of fire. Don't try this at home, kids. And if you are, make sure you're doing it with some adult supervision. I already have my base on. I have some beautiful strawberries here. What I've been seeing everybody do is, they'll take a bite and then put it on. I'm going to cheat a little bit and just cut mine. This is going to be my blush. So there's the cut strawberry. Oh, that's cold, but it feels really good actually. Wow. I don't know if the camera is like picking it up super well, but it did actually put some red, just like a little hint. It's like a no makeup strawberry blush going on. Let me see if I can use this other little bit that I cut off. And really, it's just taking the juices. I mean, it's kind of on there. One product that I know that some creators have been using are beets or like pomegranates, and that would actually probably work super well. I just wanted to try a challenge and see if strawberries worked. It's really soothing on the skin, like super, super soothing. I wonder if because I have a foundation on, if that's why it's not going on super well. I mean, this side went on like pretty well. You can see that line, that blend. Let's just blend that out a little bit right there. But I wanted to put a foundation on because I didn't think it would show up very well on my bare natural skin because I do have redness on my skin. This is super messy, by the way. Now moving on to the next one is you're supposed to take a broccoli head, and I didn't have just a raw broccoli. I had frozen broccoli in my freezer. I did warm it up. Then they took a flame and like scorch the top to make freckles. So we'll be right back. Okay, let's see how this works. I just got broccoli all over my face. Okay, that that did not work. I just got broccoli. I mean, if you want broccoli freckles, here you go. Okay, so far, I think we've had one kind of work. Oh, okay. As the strawberry is sitting on my face, it is giving off more color. That's pretty cool. When I first put it on, it was just wet, but now it's really giving some more color. It's actually like really natural and super pretty. But the broccoli, it just stinks like burnt broccoli in here. Not very appetizing at all. That one was a complete fail. The next one is kiwi being used for eyeshadow. I'm not a big fan of kiwi, so I got spinach, and I'm just kind of tearing it up here in my hands to see if we'll even get any color payoff. Okay, this is a mulch. Now let's see here. Without getting tons of spinach on my eye. Hey, wow. I mean, minus that chunk right there. We'll just call it graphic liner. Okay, now the other eye. I mean, it is giving color payoff. And it's a very subtle green to match my green shirt. I mean, that's actually really cool. I hope it's picking up on camera the way it's like translated onto my face, because it's actually really cool. And it's a good combo with the strawberries. And again, the longer the strawberries sit there and dry on my cheeks, the more that they are showing off their redness. Really impressed by this challenge so far. Next, I'm gonna take a banana, this stem, probably right there, and taking my flame and charring that bit, and we're gonna make an eyeliner out of it. I don't want it to burn my eye. I mean, the theory behind this is that you're making charcoal. Yeah, and making an eyeliner. I don't know how they did it without not making an absolute mess. Because it's definitely working. Cool. I also saw it used as a lip liner. I'm just getting charcoal all over my face. Okay, I've got some eyeliner going on here. And I will tell you, in the room right now, it's a mix between strawberries and burnt banana and burnt broccoli. It's a weird combo. This is really cool. I just hope that I don't break out from this challenge. All right, now I'm gonna take a blackberry, and that is going to be my lipstick. Tell me this is not like the biggest blackberry you have ever seen. I mean, that thing is huge. It's bigger than my thumb. So big. Try to not squirt this all over my shirt. Okay. Little blackberry. I wonder, yum. I wonder if this will have the same effect as the strawberry. I just keep licking it off. I'm gonna let that dry down a little bit. It did actually make my lips a little bit purpley and dark, and I'm gonna let that dry down before I go and put on my honey as my lip gloss. I think I mostly just have blackberry specks on my lips. I mean, there's color there. Now I'm gonna do this without making a mess here. Whoa. I despise store-bought honey, but local honey is so good. So I'm not even gonna be licking this off. I'm gonna be wiping this off when I'm done. But honey actually does have a lot of healthy properties for skin and body and health. It feels just like a lip gloss. Oh, that's sweet. There we have our makeup fruit challenge completed look. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. Do you think I nailed this challenge? So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe so I can keep creating more fun, entertaining, engaging, and real life makeup videos for you guys. And if you want to see another really entertaining video, then you want to go ahead and check out this video here where ChatGPT chooses my eyeshadow look. And I'll see you in that one. Bye!